Aaron and his Nitrous CTSV over here.
I'm good with that. So we on the Dyno when? Thursday? Yeah. Oh, locked in. We're gonna come to your house and knock on your door and be like, I'll be here. Aaron, come out to play. I'll be here.
Performance TV.
Yeah, follow all of us.
Let me hear your numbers. 1,000 on spray. 920 on blower.
This is what we got.
I'm gonna say 725 on
And
blower.
I don't know what Derek, he might twerk my regular fucking setup that I got.
725 on blower. 860 on spray.
Derek's guessing higher numbers. Nitrous Outlet is guessing higher numbers. Texas Speed is guessing higher numbers. But I would rather go below than get disappointed.
What all did they say?
They said 759.
On blower?
750
on blower?
Blower and then 9 with spray.
How much boost you running right?
I
could see it if everything is everything.
I'm about to say it depends if everything is there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's gotta be like, that's like the number everybody wants to see with that setup, right?
Alright, so we went ahead and got some ice. Then go ahead and open that up, put some ice in there. Just keep the car cool. Then we're gonna do some more pulls. See how she does. How's she doing, man?
Hey, she's doing.
No complaining?
None at all. None at all.
That's good.
Derek hooked it up, y'all. All right, set the 28 to 69. Let's go.
That's it?
That's it.
Somebody need to get a video from back there. I bet you this bitch is shooting fireball. Alright, so we're good? Good to go? Let it eat?
It's gonna conclude Friday night. Happy for him, man. You know, he made some good numbers. So let's see what tomorrow holds. Tomorrow Saturday. Usually we do dyno days. Yeah. See you guys. Alright, so we're packing up the goodies. Let's see 7.
Yep. About to go to John McGee. He's gonna help us put this thing together.
Come on, come on, come on. All right.
And then strap from here to there.
Well, we'll be back when it's all strapped. Let's go.
Hold on, I gotta put something in my car.
Oh. That's
3170
That's the C7 from Texas 2K over there. That's true. What's up, man?
Still busy? See the shit they do? Takes everything, cuts shit in half. That's a Hellcat. Yeah.
That was a pre-production Hellcat.
Dang.
That was before the car even came out.
YouTube certified.
Yo, this shit. Pain in the ass. The only thing that's pain, the biggest pain is this bottom bolt right here. On the mount, that bolt right there. Oh my god.
There you go. One more. So these you have like little cracks right here. So far, so good. One down. No down. 7 to go. Give me. Cracked. Sure is. So there's symptom number 1. There's another crack right there. Oh, that looks like a piece of the metal that's stuck there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh look, the ring light's coming out. So if I just take this. Cracked. Piston's cracked.
Damn.
Seconds away from a big boom. That one's okay. Alright, I'm out of here. I'll send you pictures.
You want to say what you guys do here?
It's a tough thing to explain. You take brand new shit and cut it in half.
Okay, alright.
Like,
IG.
just way to explain it.